Well, I seem to be in a little predicament here. Skid plates in action. Is that a rock? This is my fault. I shouldn't have done this. All right, here goes nothing. Wish me luck. So every year it's the same thing. My dad doesn't want me to use his road, so my dad blocks it every year. But I decided I'm gonna make my own road, so let's see how that goes. Okay, so I'm actually at the point now of where I started cutting my trail last year. And it's understandable. I mean, they have friends and family that come in, go visit them at the camp with the car and stuff, so he doesn't want the road all rutted and then he has to spend time fixing it. And it's understandable. I mean, for me to enjoy our family piece of land, this is what I like doing, so I figured, you know what, I'm gonna make my own trail that I can come and play around and access all year round. So here we are. So we're going to spend a couple hours today making our own path. Okay, so we're getting to the end. We'll probably stop, have some lunch, and then I'll try to cut the trail a bit more. Skid plates in action. Is that a rock? I don't know. Yeah, well, the skid plate's working. Yeah, that's gotta go. There we go. Those are some deep roots. Whew. Yeah, that should pack all down. It's one way to get rid of stumps. Time to get our drone back. It's the new DJI Mini Pro 3. It's my first drone. I think it's gonna add next level to my videos. Let me know in the comments what you think of the drone footage. I know the sun's very bright today, so probably pretty contrasty, but I think it'll add that next level element to my videos. That's why I like coming out here with the Bronco, with the fold down table. I just have my cooler here, you know, so I can have my carbonated water. And I bought this little Napoleon Travel Q barbecue. And the reason I brought a barbecue and I'm not just making a fire is in the spring like this, basically the top layer of the forest, which is all the leaves that have been decomposing all winter under the snow, extremely flammable. So I do have a fire extinguisher in the Bronco, so I don't want to make a fire. Are you having a relax? Oh, you're such a pretty girl. Hey, you having fun? Are you having fun? What do you smell? It's hot. Okay? Good girl. A good little treat. Well, I'm done cutting for the day, but before I go, I just want to drive and kind of test and make sure I made the trail wide enough. Some spots like right here, she's pretty slim to go through, but we'll see. Yeah, no, that's not going to do it all. Right now I'm going to cut this tree because I can't even make the corner to turn around. And then next time I come, I'll be cutting this tree, but because it's too tight, but I'm not doing that right now. I just want to get out of here, so I'm going to cut this one right now. Well, I seem to be in a little predicament here. All right, I have no choice. I gotta try to cut that tree without smashing my hardtop. This is my fault. I shouldn't have done this. Should have known better. All right, here goes nothing. Wish me luck. Well, that was dumb. Yeah. That was dumb. Okay, I gotta get home. I've been here way longer than I wanted to. So obviously that big tree's gotta go, but that's good because it'll be good firewood for me for next year anyway. I gotta make my trail wider. I gotta stop trying to, I'm not gaining any time by cutting it short like this. It's making it worse. It's taking a lot more time. And then I end up doing stuff like this and I could possibly damage my Bronco. Everything survived. I got a couple scratches on the bumper, whatever.